Hey, Joe here. Just wanted to show you in HVAC solution how easy it is to go in and create a couple single pipe systems using one of the wizards. So I'm going to go up to our compact wizard. This is a wizard we're going to be using right here, but I'm going to go to a new sheet of paper, so I can hit File, Send To. We're going to come in here, Hydronic System Wizard. We're going to answer some questions and build those systems. So we want a single pipe system, heating and cooling. Let's do 2 loops again. We'll do the mechanical room in the bottom right this time. 3 loads per loop. Fan coil units, you'll see the other options there as well. We'll go with Williams fan coils. Here's the BTUs for heating and cooling for each fan coil. You see at the top there's loops 1 of 3, loops 1 of 2. This box is checked, so it's going to use the same data for all the fan coils in the interest of time. We want a boiler and an air-cooled chiller. You'll see all the other options there for heating source or cooling sources. 1 boiler, maybe you want to do 2 this time. 2 air-cooled chillers, air mech, leaving water temperatures entering. Primary, secondary, let's do hydraulic separators this time. 1 secondary pump, primary pump, 1 expansion tank, air separator. When I hit finish here, we'll have the same diagrams as we looked at before, just a matter of a minute or 2. This time I put the generation devices, the boilers and the chillers down below. We have 2 loops with 3 loads per loop. I can drag a box across, right click with my mouse, and now I can annotate the drawings with diameters or flows, whatever I would like to see in this system. I could annotate right there on the drawing, or I can click on the pipes as well and look at all that information. A few other things, since it's a primary secondary system with a single pipe, there is the associated pressure drop of that loop. Here's the pump down here with my pressure drop loop path. That's what makes up that head of feet, 18. And then the primary pump's down here, right there. So a few things I need to do to just actually get I've got the right flow head and flow based on what I've done so far, but I can go in now, and if I want to put the longest pipe lengths, just say this was 200 feet, it's going to take the pressure drop, multiply it by a fitting factor, and you'll see we went from 18 feet up to 30 feet. So you can go in and put the longest pipe lengths in your system, or every one if you'd like. Anyway, now we can select equipment. Okay, we know sizes of, just by selecting on that, we can get a selection of the boiler, flows below the minimum accepted value. So it's too small. See how 3.3 GPM, that boiler for that air-cooled boiler is just not going to do that. 6.3 tons of cooling over here. Let's see if a small chiller, yeah, it's going to pick a small chiller, but it's got a lot of unused capacity there. That's part of the beauty about HVAC solution, is once you design the systems, lay them out, we do all the calculations, we select equipment, schedule it, and then you can put these schematics and the equipment schedules that we create from this in Revit or AutoCAD. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful in helping you move your projects along.